Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to remove cards from your phone. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter your Apple ID. Go to Payment and Shipping. Select card you would like to remove and select Remove Apple Pay. Now enter the other payment method you want to remove and select Remove Payment Method. Like this, you can also remove your credit card or debit card. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.